guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this matte lip, I'm sorry. Okay, so if you'd like to see this video, just keep watching.
All right, guys, so the first thing that I do is I use Tree Hut's Sugar Lips Scrub. I also use a brush, lip brush. This one is by Bliss Lips, I'm sorry, and I purchased that, I believe, on Amazon. So I'm going to take some of the Tree Hut Sugar Scrub and just apply it to my lips with my fingers first and kind of rub it in and just put it on my lips, and then wipe the excess off on the brush and just go through it using circular motions up on the top lip and the bottom lip. It doesn't look like circular, but it really is. But yeah, I just want to make sure the product is really blended in. This is gonna kind of smooth out your lips, prep it, and just get it ready for that matte lipstick. So I felt like I didn't use enough of it, and so I just applied a little bit more. The product goes from being a sugar scrub to kind of like a moisturizing kind of feel, and it's really amazing product, and it's super cheap. I want to say it may be $4.99, $3.99. I get it from Ulta, and normally, you know, they have that sale where it's buy one get one something off, so that's when you want to pick it up. But they have it in the brown sugar as well. I like this one, the regular sugar, better than the brown sugar. There I was just showing you that I use some soap to wash off the brush, and I pat dry it. All right, so I'm going to apply the MAC Plumping Lip Gloss on, and then just kind of this. Normally I would be then going to apply my moisturizer and stuff like that. So after it has sit on my lips for a while, I'm going to apply the Grande Lips Plumping Lip Plump in matte. And then again, it would be me just doing makeup now. I would go ahead and do the rest of my makeup routine. All right, so now my makeup is done. This is showing you the products that I'm going to use. The lip pencil first. You just get whatever lip pencil you want to use. And I'm going to go to the bottom of my lip, like under my lip, and I'm going to draw the line there. And the same thing for the top. I'm going to do where my lip, I guess I want to say starts and ends, and just draw like the line like over it, and then just kind of fill it in just a little bit on the bottom and then on the top, just so that I know where I want to apply the lipstick. And then also too, because I wanted it to be like a brownie red, but you know, I just used that just to show more definition on my lips. And like I said, this is like gonna be an overdraw of my lips because I think my lips are super small. And now I'm gonna apply the matte lipstick, making sure, trying my best not to apply it on parts that I've already applied, because then that'll make it flake up. So basically it's like a one and done kind of move. Doesn't look like it, but I'm really doing that. And then you also don't want to press your lips together until the very, very end. And I'm just basically applying the lipstick over that outline. So I had the outline. That's what the lip pencil did. And now I'm just filling it in, but also applying a bit over, but I use the line as the guide. All right, this actually took me super long, but I just want to make sure it's precise, especially messing around with red. You want to make sure that you just take your time and do it until you become an expert, which I am not, but you know, just become an expert in that application. So there, I'm just basically filling in and make that. See, I did the plump, the pucker, not pucker. This is puckering. So I'm just making sure that, you know, when I speak, you'll be able to see that bottom. All right, so there we go.
All right, guys, so you made it to the end. Thanks for watching so much. I hope you enjoyed this matte look, how I do my matte lip from prep to application. and my like overdraw technique and all that stuff like that. I hope you found it helpful. If you used it as a tutorial, I hope that you just found it entertaining, because it was something that came that my sister thought of, and she was like, oh, you should do a video about that. So this is the video. Again, thank you so much for watching. Shout out to my babies, Mary, Martha, Charlotte, my little prince. I love you guys, and I love everyone. And new subscribers, welcome to the channel. And until my next one, bye guys.